Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is fine and doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channels. Today video is related to the IRIS government scholarship. And for especially this scholarship, you don't need to provide IELTS, TOEFL, and GRE. Okay. If you wanna get all details about this scholarship, you need to watch video till end. In this video, I will tell you about what documents you require for this scholarship, what's the eligibility criteria, and plus which type of scholarships they have, and what's the deadline of this scholarship. Okay, so first of all, I will tell you about my YouTube channels. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channels, you can subscribe our YouTube channels. And we also have Facebook page. There is almost no is 20,000 followers. Okay, so you can also subscribe us on our Facebook channels and plus our YouTube channels. We are posting every day too many about scholarships and job details. Okay, and you can visit our other videos about China, about Japan, about European government scholarships, and plus Australian government scholarship. Okay, so let's start. We will discuss about which type of scholarship. They have almost two types of scholarship. Okay, one is available for postgraduate and another one is available for for postdoctorate. Okay, like if you wanna study after PhD, you can also get this scholarship. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss about their call. Like every year they announce this call. I will also attach this PDF link to my video. So first of all, this scholarship is start from almost 31st August. So it's almost started. No, it's September. You can start applying on this scholarship. Okay. And if you have any question, you can also send them emails until 5 October. Okay. And the deadline of this scholarship is 12 October. Okay. And for this scholarship, I want to tell you truth. You need acceptance letter from supervisors. Like in for China, when you apply for China, like when you apply for some other countries, you need acceptance letter from professors. Okay, so this is the deadline. You can apply before 12 October, but at least you need to provide your acceptance letter before 19 October. Okay, and the outcome of this will come on April, and the classes will start after 1 years. Okay, like if you apply in September, no, it's 2023, right? When you will get all things, your visa, everything is okay, your classes start from September 2024. Okay, so this is the basically deadline of the scholarship. Now we will discuss about scholarship details. Okay, so this is the scholarship. Basically, they have two scholarship. One is available for postgraduate scholarship. Okay, if you wanna study masters or PhD. Okay, so this scholarship is mostly every years they give you like 28,000 like their currency euro per year. Okay, and the stipend per year you will get 1,900. Okay, sorry, 19,000 stipend you will get whole year. Okay, and the contribution about if you are from non-European countries, and contribution fees they will also give you like 5,750. Okay, and the eligible direct research, if you want to travel to another country or another city, they will also give you 3,250. Okay, so this is one scholarship. Another scholarship expenses like 5,000 they will give you. Okay, so they have two scholarship. Okay, you can apply for master, PhD, and postdoctorate. Okay, so next we will go eligibility criteria. In the eligibility criteria, there is no age limit. Like in mostly China, they have master for 35 years and for PhD is 40. But here they didn't mention about age, so there is no age limit. Anyone can apply. Okay, and the next one, they have some institutes, some universities. They give you this scholarship. Okay, so at the end, I will also tell you university list. Okay, and for you need to apply or in Irish language or in English language. Okay, on the online websites. Okay, both option is open. The Irish government is not in possession to awards funding for research activity under any of the following published area. So they are not funding these research area for this scholarship. Okay, and next I will tell you about like they have a master degree for 1 year, a structured degree for 2 years, traditional doctor degree for 3 years, and structures. They have doctor degrees two types of. One is 3 years, one is 4 years. Okay, and like they also mention here what's the first registration date. Like for whole, for master, for PhD, okay, for doctor study, okay, for 1 year, 2 years. So this is the deadline. You need to also see if you are applying for master 1 years, if you are applying for PhD 3 years or 4 years, okay. And next we will discuss about eligibility criteria, okay. In eligibility criteria, it's okay, for Irish government you need to apply is only one university. If you try to apply in more than one university, you will be ineligible, okay. They will reject your application, because when you make new accounts, your passport will be used, so they will detect easily you had applied for two universities, okay. So please apply only one university. And if you got any scholarship before, like Irish government, you are also not eligible, okay. So you must need to apply first time, okay, for this scholarship, okay. And plus acceptance letter, I told you, you need acceptance letter from professor, okay. You need to contact your field's professors, okay, and you need to get acceptance letter, okay. So you need to read all details. I will short out due to my time video, because when I speak more about these things, it will make more long video, okay. So it's better you can read. I will attach this video link. You can also see this one, okay. So, or you also need this one. This one is like CV, same like CV, research outcomes. You need to make accounts here, okay. This document is also important. You need to just register on it, and you just need to put all your previous experience, your previous educations, and you will get ORCID, okay. So this is easy. There is no problem, okay. You need to read all things, because they mostly read about your study, your scholarship. For selection, they have set criteria like 40% for applicant marks here, and 40% like this includes your independent thinking, your research potentials, your significant relevant experience, all things attached is 40 marks, okay. And the 40 marks is your project, like your research proposal, okay. So they will give you 40 marks your research proposal, okay. And for other things like aspects career development, so they also you also need to write it about training and career development, okay. And the 10 marks ability of the professors to provide adequate supervision. So 10% you must need from your professors, so you need to get acceptance letter from your professor, okay. Now I will discuss about which universities they have. Almost I think is 20 plus universities they are offering this scholarship, okay. Like Atlantic Technological University, Dublin City University, this one National College of Ireland. So there is many university. You can select any university, you can apply directly on these websites, okay. At least most important, you need professor acceptance. I mentioned it again, you need acceptance letter for this scholarship, okay. But you don't need IELTS, TOEFL or GRE, okay. So these are the universities. And next we will discuss about like which documents you need, okay. Like for documentation, you need your all education. If you are applying for master, you need your bachelor's degree and transcript, and your like higher education certificate, okay, your all previous education. If you are applying for PhD, you need all your previous education, okay. And the statement of purpose, I will make another video about like study plan, how you will make study plans. Study proposal, you need to make it. Like study plan, you need to mention it about your interest, why you want to study in this university, why you selected this university, and why you want to study in Ireland, okay. So these are the things you mention on your study plan, okay. And the research proposal is related to your fields. Like if you're applying for electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, you need to write it about your future research and your previous experience, okay, about your study, okay. And the most important document is passports. That is most important if you're applying for any other country. That is most important documents, okay. And the next, acceptance letter from professors. That is most important, compulsory for Ireland scholarship. And next, two recommendation letter you need from your two previous professors, okay. And the language proof, if you have English, IELTS, TOEFL, that's a plus point, okay. If you don't have, don't need to be worried about it. You can apply on the basis of English proficiency letter from your previous institutes, okay? And the another documents, if you have some experience, some award scholarships or anything, you can also attach on their online portal, and it's possible your application will be strong, okay? So this is the basically requirements of the IRS government scholarship. You can apply here, and I hope you will get good scholarship on this on this platform, okay? So thank you so much for your time. If you didn't please, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you so much for your time.